Hi, Mr. Azlan, the landlord here for Vegivore Food Therapy. The time now is 18:05, 5 minutes past 6 on Saturday, 25th of January 2025. And I've just made a smoothie in my Kuvings SV500 vacuum blender. Okay, so let me tell you what the ingredients are. The ingredients are 1 slice of pineapple, half an avocado, 2 AMLA fruits, de-seeded of course, fresh AMLA, 1 slice of beetroot, a third of a lemon, and a third of limau kapas. The limau kapas I threw away the skin because it's too bitter, but the 1/3 of lemon I did include the skin, pith and skin. The pith contains pectin and antioxidants as well, and flavonoids and some essential oils. Also some chia seeds, some flax seeds, 10 mazafati dates. The mazafati dates are this one. Okay, doesn't say mazafati here, but it says so here. Okay, it actually spells it as Mozafati. Bam is the location where it's grown, and I don't know what nastaran means. I have to look it up. Rotab, I also don't know what it means, but sometimes instead of calling it Mazafati, they call it Rotab. But I have to look up the literature, what Rotab means, what nastaran means. Bam, I know, is a name of a city in Iran, in Persia. Okay, so that's all the ingredients. So I'm gonna pour it in my glass, and it looks like I may have about a liter in there. Anyway, we'll see. Okay, you know what happened? It was actually too thick. It was so thick it couldn't pour out the jug, so I had to add extra ice water. And as I was pouring the ice water, I was thinking what could have made it so thick, and I just remembered I also put frozen sweet corn, frozen jagung, and frozen peas in it. So anyway, I've added a lot of water, so altogether I used up about 900 ml of water, ice water. And I've tarik the thing. I didn't use my blender because I didn't want to overload it and get the thing all spoiled and send it for servicing again. So I've got 400 here, which I'll enjoy, ml in here. So it looks like I have another, easily another 800 ml in here. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.
Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.